With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, write balanced chemical equation for the preparation of the given salt by using the method A to C respectively. So we have to form the ammonium sulphate and we have to devise the chemical equation basically. So what we do, in order to synthesize ammonium sulphate, I take a base which is ammonium hydroxide, okay, and I take acid, sulfuric acid, let's say. What I do, what I mix them, then what I will get the crystals of ammonium sulphate, and water. Okay, so if I want to balance a reaction, then here my two will be there. Nitrogen is balanced, SO4 is balanced, mine, and H2O. So here two will be there. Two will be there. Yeah, my two will be there. Now reaction is completely balanced now. So what kind of reaction is this? We have base, we have acid. What we are forming? We are forming a salt and water. Then, so such kind of reactions are known as a neutralization reaction. So with the help of this reaction, we are able to synthesize ammonium sulphate. Okay. So I hope that I made myself clear. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.